got you covered. It's time to take your style to the next level and create the perfect fit.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Mild evening for us, but it does come with rainfall and gusty winds. We'll walk you through that future cast ahead.